So our next topic is selection tool in Excel. In that there is a subtopic named as selecting a single cell. So let us read out and understand this topic. Click on any cell to select it. The cell will be selected and outline will appear around the border of the cell. As you can see in this diagram, I have clicked on this particular cell in which Hindi is been typed. That means I have selected a Hindi named cell, and you can see the outline of this cell is been highlighted. So our next point is selecting data in a cell. So let us read out this. Double click in the cell or select the cell and press F2. Cursor will appear on the cell. Now drag the cursor in the cell and select the data inside the cell. So as you can see in the first diagram, what I have did, I have just selected the cell and pressed the button F2. After pressing the button F2, this cursor will appear. Now you can select the data, or you can select the typed data. Now you can remove it and you can write any other name or subject over here. In this way you can select the data in a cell and erase it and write a new data. So next point is selecting adjacent cell. So let us read out this. Adjacent cell are those cells which are next to each other. Click the starting cell and drag the blue highlighted to the select all the cells in the range. This way you will be able to select all the adjacent cells. As you can see in this particular diagram, I have started from this topic, that is mathematics. I have clicked here and I have dragged to the last. That means I have selected all the cells together. What do you mean by adjacent cell? Adjacent cells are those cells which are next to each other, जो एक दूसरे के अगल बगल होते हैं. जैसे मैथमेटिक्स के बगल में 100 है, 100 के बगल में 52 है. That means these three cells are adjacent to each other. So our next topic is selecting non-adjacent cells. Non-adjacent cells means cells that are not next to each other. To select non-adjacent cells, click on one cell and then press Ctrl key to select more cells. As you can see here, first I have clicked on 52, then I have pressed the button Ctrl. Then I have selected any other cell which is not next to this particular cell. Suppose I have selected 52. Now I have pressed the button Ctrl key. Now I have selected the cell mathematics, then English grammar, then 87, well, then 98, then social studies. Like this, I have been selecting the cells, adjacent cells which are not non-adjacent cells which are not next to each other. In this way you can select the non-adjacent cells with the help of Ctrl key button.